Welcome to What a Hairstyle. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing a fresh, sharp new you in only few minutes. Today we will show a classic blunt bob made special for women over 50. This cut lifts the face, makes the neck look long, and brings instant confidence. Stay with us to see step-by-step moves, and please like, comment about what you like most, share and subscribe. First we sit with our guest, Maria, to talk about her life, her hair and her hopes. She wants less fuss each morning and more shine all day. We choose a blunt bob because the strong line makes thin ends look full. Before cutting, we wash with gentle shampoo and light conditioner. Then blow dry smooth. Clean, straight hair lets the scissors travel true and keeps every strand honest today. Next comes sectioning. We split the hair into neat 4 parts like a plus sign on the scalp. Clips keep each part still so no hairs wander into the wrong place. Good sectioning is like drawing lines before you paint a wall. It guides the art. We start at the back because it sets the length for the whole head. The lower nape is combed straight down, waiting quietly, patiently. With sharp straight shears we cut the baseline. Fingers hold the hair with 0 elevation. This keeps the edge blunt and bold. We measure 1 inch above Maria's shoulders for easy tuck behind the collar, but still long enough to frame the jaw. Each small slice travels from center out to the sides, meeting the ears like calm waves on a lake. Precision now saves fixing later for happy results. When the back looks even, we drop the side sections. We follow the guide from behind, matching length so the line wraps the head like a ribbon. Maria has a few silver strands that glow in the light, and the blunt edge makes them sparkle, not fray. We remind viewers to keep fingers flat. Tilting will make the front longer or shorter by mistake, ruining balance and wasting precious time. After the main cut, we comb all hair to its natural fall and check both sides in the mirror. Symmetry is key, but perfection is not scary. A few quick snips fix little bumps. We use the point of the shear to tap away only tips, never chunks. Women over 50 love this because removing weight from ends gives swing without losing length. The bob now breathes with gentle pride. Styling starts with a heat protect spray and a medium round brush. We lift the roots while blow drying to give natural volume, then turn the brush under at the tips to seal the blunt edge. A tiny drop of shine serum smooths flyaways and makes gray hair look like silver silk. Notice how Maria's eyes suddenly look brighter because her new frame directs light upward toward her smiling face. Look at the final reveal. Maria's shoulders look taller, her smile feels wider, and the clean edge shouts modern style without yelling for work. That is the magic of the blunt bob for women over 50. You deserve hair that shows wisdom yet still dances in the wind. Try these steps or show the video to your stylist. Together we can make midlife feel brand new every single bright morning.